Alright, so now I mix it up into like a smooth consistency. Alright, now first we're going to add some baking soda. So let's add about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, now you want to add 1/2 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Because this replaces having to use baking powder. And then you want 1/4 of a teaspoon again for arrowroot. Mix it up. And now if you want to give it a nice interesting kick to it, try adding a little vanilla. Put in 1/2 of a teaspoon. Then a little bit more hemp seeds. Alright, now it's time to cook it. So heat up a river with just put in a little bit of coconut oil. And then grease the pan. Use a little brush like this, scrape it on the bottom, spread it across the whole surface. Alright, let's heat it up on medium high. Go ahead and slowly lower it back to medium once it starts getting hot. Yeah, one of these are really good to drop the pancake mix right into the batter. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my mix into here. make our first pancake. Squeeze in a little small amount. Make sure with rice flour you use a thicker flipper because it tends to break up easily, so you gotta be careful and do it really quick. So right now there's our pancake. Give it about a few minutes for it to bubble up. Doesn't take that long. Once it starts getting puffy and it looks like it's filling in and getting thick, then that's when you want to start flipping it. Looks like in about 1 more minute it'll be ready. Here's what it looks like. See, it's got that thicker shape coming on, starting to bubble a little bit. Alright, let's see if it's a little bit ready. Yep. Be careful. I broke this one, so it wasn't ready.